Well, today I'm doing a fuel filter change on this 98.5 Dodge Cummins 3500. This is a 24 valve, not the earlier 12 valve model. And you can see this truck has been sitting for a while. It's got some new stuff on it. It's got new condenser, new radiator, new batteries I just got for it, new hydro boost with master cylinder. It's got a new slave cylinder, new clutch. It's been sitting for about 2 years, so I figure I'm going to service it and try to get back on the road. It's been neglected, obviously, because I had another Dodge. I still got that 08, so I definitely need to put some miles on this thing. But today we'll be changing the fuel filter, which we're using Napa, which is 3349. And the only tool you're going to need is a socket wrench and 14 millimeter. I'm using 1/4-inch drive, and we're going to take it out. So you kind of unplug the water sensor down there, unplug that, and you're supposed to drain it, but I'm turning my drain and it's not doing anything, so I'll just leave that alone. It's starting to come off, and if I don't hold it, it's going to fall off, so stand by it. This is what it looks like when you take it out, and this is the new one. See, it's got the O-rings down the bottom right there. There we go. Okay, so it's all opened up. We got the 3 O-rings, the instructions, and the O-ring that you need to remove. So I typically use just an awl for that, and I'll pry that off and I'll put the new one on. Okay, with it all back on, I put some grease around this ring so it doesn't get held up, as long as, same with this one too, put some grease around that one. Make sure you clean out this housing as good as you can. So I use this white rag, and you see the deposits that I got out of it. It wasn't that bad. I've seen them a lot worse than this, but I mean, even this filter, if you inspect the filter, it's really not even that bad. I probably only had a couple thousand miles on it since I changed it last. It's just been sitting for years, so I'll go ahead and get this installed now. Okay, so it's back in. Make sure you have your drain petcock to the closed position. You see right there, it's to the close, and then it's kind of the opposite of what you would think. So rather than it being clockwise to open or close it, then it's actually counterclockwise to close it. You see the open and close are both pretty visible. You can see it right on the top there. So you have it all tightened up. Make sure you plug in your water sensor down there. And in order to fill it back up, just bump the key a couple times just to kick it over, and the pump will activate and fill your fuel filter up. And you might have to do it once or twice before you really want to kick it over to try to start it, and then start it right up. I haven't had no problems doing it that way. Really haven't had any issues changing fuel filters on this truck. So all right, any questions, let me know. Thank you.